Now in the past several years I've used many gallons of this product, the 5-Star Extreme Clear. I'm going to try to use it on a use it's not really made for. I have a railing that goes to the 3rd floor of my house that I wanted to restore, and I wanted to try this to see if it would work. So I mixed up a small batch just to do a test. Now what's happened in the past when I've used the products that they make for this, they really don't last that long because this is a high-use house. We have grandchildren and I don't know, a lot of wear and tear on these railings. Now you can see the products that we've used in the past, they really don't last. Not only that they don't last, they get dull right away. And we're constantly maintaining this house. It just turned 100 years old. I'm going to see if this is going to, and if it's not any better, it didn't cost me anything. So after doing a little test, you can see the part that's, and this is the first coat. I'll probably put 3 coats on, maybe 20 minutes, half hour apart. Now I always like to experiment with different materials and different things. Now, a lot of times you buy this stuff, and I get a kick out of this, you buy this stuff in a store that's made specifically for a product, and something you have around your house works just as good. I'll give you an example of that. They sell this stuff that makes the tires black when you want to detail out your car. And when I went to a car show one time, I asked a couple of the guys, and they use Pledge. Ordinary hat Pledge. Probably about 1/10 the price too. Anyway, that looks like it's going to be good for the first coat. I'm excited about this. Yeah, it does stink a little bit. I did open up some windows and shut the heat off. A couple hours this will stink, but that's it. It's not like when you spray. Nothing like when you spray. Yeah, I'm really impressed that it's worked. That really turned out pretty good. Anyway, that looks like it worked okay. It can't be any worse than the stuff you buy in the store. I don't want to mention any product names, but it's very, very not. It's not the quality that this is. This stuff I know. It holds up on cars and jet planes and stuff. And it seems to stick great on railings. Now, what I did, of course, even though it's cold out, I have the windows open. And I did this on a day, we don't have the baby here today, and Karen's out with her friends for the day, so. So Karen inspected the final job, gave it her full approval, which, of course, is always the test we're looking for. And that, I think, was time well spent. I know several of my other friends, as we speak, are doing major work on their house. And welcome to the NFL here. Now, just to end the video, a couple little notes. We have been in this house 27 years. We're still working on it, of course. It's never finished. And especially these railings. I remember painting all these little details on these railings and on this the stuff that goes around the porch. It was truly a labor of love. But anyway, when you own an old house, an old motorcycle, or I guess you just get old, you start to appreciate the nostalgia of life. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed sharing our life with us. And thanks for watching.